For it was inside of you for so long I lived. Your echo was my breath, my sigh was the moment your eyes closed off the world to peer into darkness. Carry the torch of me to love's undying light. The only fear we had was losing each other along the way. How you tried to angle me in the best position. Earth energy, please bathe our wounds that we share songs with the wind that only you and I can hear. Empathy, a rebirth of the moon. Now you sit at me in folds where pain once tugged my sides, rolled me like stars touch the abyss. I feel the open door of your offerings. I'm so afraid of looking away when if I have nothing to give back. For it was inside of you for so long I lived. Your echo was my breath, my sigh was the moment your eyes closed off the world to peer into darkness. You placed your hand in the soil's womb, brought me to the surface of acceptance, healing the spaces that separated us inside a cocoon of lonely resistance. Bringing me back to tame waters, when as a child I could trust what all I could not see. Now I feel everything and I'm so afraid it doesn't see us. Does space have eyes? If so, where are you? Where am I? What happened to empathy? A rebirth of the moon. Does it go on to